Hi, ladies and gentlemen, this is Jock from Attraction Marketing. I had mentioned before that I was going to bring out a video about Instagram, and it's not actually Instagram per se, but in this video, I'm going to show you some, well, shall we say, some amazing hacks of how to use your Instagram bio. And a tool that I use, there's many tools like it, but that can really take your links and your e-commerce and selling your products and your services to the next level utilizing Instagram, because actually Instagram is a problem for people to actually get business from unless you're engaging continually and building your platform continually. It's very difficult to put your links there, but today I'm going to show you how to get over that once and for all, and to use the tool that I use to really increase your engagement, your subscriptions, and sell your products. When we come right back, we'll get right into it. So, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Attraction Marketing. And as I promised, we're going to jump straight into the tool that I have. I'm going to show you how to 10x your Instagram profile. I'm really excited to show you it. Now, as I said, there is tools out there that you can use, or you can have your own link. But I'm going to show you this tool called Shorby, and we're going to jump right into it. I'm going to show you everything about it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe below and make sure you hit the notification bell. It'll be over one of these places here somewhere, and you'll be notified when I bring out more videos. And certainly, if you've got any question or comments, please leave them below. If you've got any questions about this tutorial today in regards to your Instagram profile and utilizing Shorby, then ask below. But let's jump straight into it. Let's go to my computer and let's show you the power of this tool. You will be amazed. Okay guys, so let me show you something. We're in a tool called Shorby, and I will put a link in the description below so that you can have a look at it. There is a lot of other tools out there as well. There's Linktree and various other tools. But I use this myself, and I use it for clients, and I use it in my own work. And recently there's been a massive update to this, and I've been in it right from the beginning and watching it grow. And this really is going to take your link to the next level. So, what we're going to look at here, you've got some little basic statistics here. We're going to get in and edit this. So in Shorby, you're going to log into your account and you're going to add your Instagram, okay? Now, I have used, this is what the old Shorby was like, which is great because you've got some movement, you've got like a nice screen here, nice call to action. Okay, this is my Help Lawyer platform, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to change it, and we're going to upgrade this. So when you actually come in, you're going to be able to use what's called a smart page. And when you go to the smart page, it's going to change the whole dynamic of things, because now you're actually looking at a live representation of almost like a little mini website. And what actually happens with this is this actually sits in your on your bio on Instagram, and when anybody clicks on the link, which is your short link here, your Shorby link, okay, this is what's going to be on the bio, and I'll show you that just shortly, or just Shorby. No, that's a terrible joke. Okay, you're going to see that you can do a lot more with this. Okay, so what it's got now is blocks, okay, and if I want to add a block, we have got a link here that we can put in, which is going to be in this page here. We've got icons that we can actually add, okay? We can maybe find a different icon or link. Maybe we have some music or video or etc., okay? But this is what's really interesting. We actually have a text, so we could actually write on this. I could write on, it could be, join Help Lawyer or it could even be like a frequently asked questions. You know, it could be something like, what is help lawyer? Okay. And then, you know, we can then write text underneath, and this could be text that's telling them like a frequently asked question. Oh, I noticed that there, look. I'll go back and edit that. What is help lawyer? Okay, and then I would go and I would actually write maybe a paragraph, something short and sweet, something that's, you know, emotionally connection with the reader, that will make them interested and want to find out more. But it doesn't stop there. It doesn't stop there at all. And I'm going to show you in one of my other accounts just in a minute. We can also add a button in, okay? And this will then show us a button, and I'll show you in a moment. We can also add more images, etc, etc. We can add videos. We can add big call to actions here, okay? We can make it pop, which means it makes some movement so that it actually attracts the reader, or we can hide it. Now that might just seem very basic at first glance, but it really isn't. And I want to show you an example of how it can be used, okay? Okay, this is my new Instagram account for my business coaching. But look what I have got here, where I can be emailed direct, okay? I have my logo up there. I have my designation of what I do, and you can write anything that you want on there. And I'm only using this a small amount, okay? This is just a small amount, and I'll show you the whole power of this. So look at what this is. This is a video that I have made. Now that video is up there and telling people to click on it, and they will click on that and it will go to the video on YouTube, okay? This is a free giveaway that I have for signing up to my email list. It's your social posting tips, the types of posts that you can have. This would be a subscribe to my YouTube channel, and this is connecting to my website. But that's not all. I have my social media directly that people can go to as well. But I can do so much more. If you remember before, I actually showed you how I can utilize the text and the content to draw some information, you know, to draw some attention to maybe something. Maybe it's an offer, maybe it's something I'm doing. I just want to show you what it kind of looks like. This is my account on, and it's just a new account, so there's very, very few followers on there. But here is my new link for Shorebit, okay? Here it's here, and if I click on that link, there we go, it's going to take me to this. This is what people clicking on your link are going to see. And this is on your link here, okay? This is actually in your bio, okay? So you can utilize this. So imagine if you were in the legal industry, you know, the health industry, or you were an author and you're selling a book. And I actually do have it in one of my other pages, where I have a lot of followers on there, and I've sold my books. You know, I've actually sold my books from this link, okay? So let me show you another example. Okay, here we are in the Holistic Therapies directory. You can actually see that, you know, we have a number of posts and things here, okay? And there we have the Shorebit link, okay? Now let's have a look at this. You can see what I've done here. I've got a link, I've got links to the survey, I've got an offer that I can have. Now I can put an image to this offer, okay? This offer's actually finished, so we can change this. I have a link to a video, but I can add a video. I can actually add a, would you got a thumbnail? I can add a YouTube thumbnail to that video, okay? Then we have the advertising group, different links, and these are all actually on the Holistic Therapies directory Facebook, okay? So there's the example again with Help Lawyer, and we're going to change, we're actually going to change something here. So we're going to the Holistic Therapies directory. We can see it here, and we haven't made many changes to it, but I want to actually do that. So let's actually jump into Shorebit, the tool, and show you exactly how to do it, okay? Okay, so we're in the Holistic Therapies platform now, and we're gonna utilize this to make something a little bit more right there, you know, something that's much better. So we're gonna take we're going to take this away because we actually don't need this now. Okay, oops, no, we're going to hide it. We're actually going to delete it. So we're going to delete this, and we got this offer, right? The Life Coach membership, that's actually gone. That offer's gone. Watch for success. I mean, we can take, I'm going to show you how to do a YouTube video. So we'll take a YouTube video and we will create that. Okay, this is the lifetime offer that's still available for now. Okay, we're going to change, let's do this, we're going to change this here. Okay, so this group is actually changed now. It doesn't exist anymore because we've actually opened up more of a network for therapists, and so this is actually going to change. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this, okay, and to the new URL, and that'll be so Facebook groups, and it's Holistic Network, okay, is the new network group for all therapists, yeah, and that is the Holistic Network, and we're going to just, for holistic professionals, just a a very clear kind of call to action. Okay, so now I can write about this. Maybe I want to see, so we'll use this kind of group symbol here because we're networking. Actually, maybe this is a bit better. We'll see. That's maybe a bit better there. And then so what we're going to do is, what I want to do is I could write some text here, and then I could have that text in that icon there, or I could have an image. I'm not going to do that, okay? Maybe I can have this, this button here and just have the click as the button. I can have it here if I want to put maybe the logo or the icon here. But what I want to do this. I want to actually put a call to action image on here, okay? Because that is going to pop out, if you like, and you don't put it in there. You see where it shows you this image here? All you're going to do is you're going to, let's click, and you're going to select your file. So you've got an uploader, so you can actually bring in an image from Instagram, bring in an image from Facebook. So if I wanted to bring an image for Facebook, I could actually connect my Facebook account and upload my images from Facebook. I can do a web search. I don't recommend a web search because what you tend to do is you will take an image that you think is free, and you then will have a massive copyright issue. And believe you me, I have dealt with copyright issues for clients before, and it's not nice. It's not easy to deal with, and it is. It can actually be soul destroying, especially if you're building your business and you get, one of these organizations hitting you up. So what you've got to be very, very careful with that. What I like to do is to search for my own image that I have already designed. Okay, so I'm going to search for my image. This is going to load up here. I'm going to Holistic Network. I actually can't remember if I've called it this file name. Oh yes, I have. Okay, so it's going to load up my image here. Okay, I'm on satellite internet, so it's really slow. But let's see if I can pull it in before it even loads that way. So let's see if I can do it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, then I'm going to hit the upload button. See, this is very clear. The Holistic Network, supporting holistic practitioners worldwide. I'm going to upload that. And you're going to see this in the block settings. Now look at that. Now if this was an offer, or this was a video, you put your link to your video. There's so much more that you can do with this. You can have authors, you can have text, you can have icons, you can have links and all, services and discount coupons and all, so many things. So. But what I want to do is I also want to make this pop, and what's going to happen is going to have this little look here, okay? So I love this. This is really good. This is really clear. This is going to take my Instagram to the next level, so to speak, okay? So we have done that there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the green button because we're done, and it will save. Okay, boom. Now you might think you're finished then. But what you have to be very careful of is that you don't forget to publish, because I've done it before. I kind of didn't think about it. I wasn't looking before and I didn't publish. So I want to make sure that I'm hitting publish right there, okay? And what I want to show you now is how your Instagram feed is going to look. So there we go. There is my short link that has been created by the Shorby platform. Now you imagine this as a therapist, as a lawyer, as an author, or anything like that. The benefit to have people clicking on this link and seeing those offers and everything else is tremendous. It's tenfold. And as I said, there is other softwares out there. I've tried Linktree, I've tried other ones, but this is the one I love. It's easy, it's and there's lots more coming up. So what I want to do is to double check. I want to click on this and I want to double check that that's happening. So this will be, imagine, on your phone. I'm not recording on the phone just now, but as you can see, boom, there's the lifetime offer, and there we go. There is that there, and it has that movement. And if we click, we click on this, it's going to take us to the Facebook platform. Now, it's very, very, very reasonable cost to get this. This is how to take your Instagram to the next level. I will put a link below. If you do join it, I do get a commission from it, so I'm just letting you know now. But you don't have to. There's Linktree out there. There's other softwares out there that you can utilize as well, or you can just stick with the same old link that just goes to your website. But imagine what you could do if you want to book. You can have a booking link in here. You can have your newest video that you've put up. You can have so much that you wouldn't believe, and it's just going to take your Instagram to the next level. I've utilized it on my author side and I have sold books from it. So what are you waiting for, guys? Take your Instagram to the next level. Get Shorby and you will not regret it. I can tell you that right now. Have a wonderful day, guys. If you've got any questions, then please just get back to me and I will answer them as much as I can. And, you know, thank you for joining us. If you haven't signed up to the channel, then please do so. And you'll be notified. Make sure to hit the bell. You'll be notified as well of any new videos that we put up. But if you've got any questions about Shorby, don't hesitate, jump in and get it. This will really take your Instagram to the next level. And you can put your, look, I've got a podcast in there. And what I'm going to do after I speak to you guys is I'm going to create a new image for my podcast and I'm going to put it up there. And if you have an article that's coming out, you can highlight a new article, highlight a new video, just taking your Instagram to the next level and beyond. Okay guys, that was Shorby. Now, as I said, there's loads of other tools you can use and you can go ahead and use them, or you can have your old links that you would normally have. If you do decide to get Shorby, I will get a small commission and I thank you very much for that. But you don't have to. You can go and use other tools. But this is just what it helps to take your Instagram to the next level. Just imagine promoting your events, promoting your services, getting more bookings, you know, even collaborations that you do with people. Or maybe you have got an announcement you want to make with the text images. There is so much you can do with this little Shorby tool that will take your Instagram to the next level. And I've actually sold books, more books with it, actually recently utilizing this tool. I love it. And I have tried Linktree, I have tried other ones, but I really like this one. It's a fantastic tool and I'm really glad to support it. And shout from the rafters about it because it's taken my Instagram to new heights. Take your Instagram to new heights, get more bookings, promote your events, turn your Instagram into a business machine for you, help you achieve what you need to achieve with the power of Instagram. It's one of the biggest platforms out there, and if you're not in it, then you're missing out. So the difficulty was before that we couldn't actually put links in the content. We still can't. But look what we can do now with links in our bio, taking you to the next level. Have a great day, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Leave your comments below. What do you think of Shorby? Is it something that's going to help you? Let me know. And until next time, I shall see you again. Have a great weekend, good week, and a great life. God bless.